Hello everyone, this is my channel. I am Annabelle and today I'm gonna show you, we're going to learn together how to georeference an image in QGIS. This is a cool map from London and here he is nicely positioned on where he should be. How to do that? The thing you need to do is go to the preference and set up the CRS, the coordination reference system. And before that, actually you have to know where are your project and what code is it using. And you have to set for the project and for your layers. You can also check if you're using the correct part of the road here. You can see a very nice representation of where are the coordinates, the system, this 27700 for the British National Grid, and actually where are our workplace right here. So after that, we're gonna have to go to the tool layer georeferencer. If you don't find in layer, you can also find it in raster, or maybe you have to install like as a plugin. Some years before you had to do that, but now it's right here. And so you have to get the raster file. I made a copy right here to don't mess up with the one that was already positioned. And the next thing you're gonna have to do is to set where is a characteristic or an attribute or a shape, form, anything that you can relate between this and the old map or the image or anything. So we're gonna to add points of references. In the first one, I will particularly use the river as a guide, and I'm gonna put it right here. If you have a more contemporary map, a map with coordinates, the grid of coordinates, and if you can read them, you can also write right here. But if you don't, like this old map, you can add from the canvas. Okay, now I'm gonna find the second point, like right here from canvas. Okay. Next one right here from canvas. Okay. You don't have to add like 2000 points, like 4 or 3 or 4 are enough. I found especially shaped road here that seem to be good. After that, you will have to set some specifications right here. Create a road file, save the points if you want to move them. After, you can do that and load it in the project when done. So hit OK and go to play, and here's the map. Let's see if it is well positioned. I'm not as good like the last one, I think. Really, it's not gonna be actually very perfect, but it's a good place to start, and you can move the points and adapt the farm as the way as you need. If you want to see more deeply the steps, you can go to my website called qualimapas.com, and you can translate to English. And I have a post right there where I explain step by step, and also has another video from this channel too, which is very viewed, and you can learn to georeference images from Curitiba too, where I live. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button if you like, comment and share, and subscribe. See you.